Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a small 4-heart motif. You can see 4 hearts in this motif, and this can be crocheted to any larger size, or you can make these small ones in different colors and join them together and make any project that you like. It's a versatile piece that you can make out of it. For demonstrating this, I'm going to use my light pink hobby store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn with color code 2035, and its weight is medium 4, and the recommended hooks are 4.5 to 5.5 mm. I'm going to use a 5 mm clover hook, which is my favorite brand, because with these hooks I can crochet my projects very fast. This is my experience with clover hooks. So let me make magic ring. You can also make 4 chains and join them together to form a ring. So to begin, let us make I start my circles with magic ring. So just take your yarn, cross it over, very simple, and insert your hook, pull the yarn and make a loop. So magic ring, this yarn, if you pull it, the circle should move. That is the concept of your magic circle or magic ring. So let us begin with making the center one, 3DC, chain 3, 3DC. So to begin with, what I'm going to do is make one standing DC, otherwise you can do chain 3. A standing DC here. One more DC, chain 3, 3 DCs, chain 3, 3 DCs again, so you have to do chain 3, 3 DCs 3 times. This is the third time I am crocheting inside 3 DCs in the magic ring, all in the magic ring. Okay, let me have the yarn. Now pull this a little tighter, not too tight right now. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is incomplete. That is the very first one. Chain 3. Insert your hook in the magic ring, DC 1. And now you can pull this tight. You need to slip stitch into this, but slip stitching into this, I'm going to do it in a little different manner. So I'll pull this a little taller, remove the hook, insert my hook from behind the first DC that I made, pick up this loop and pull it behind it. This is the invisible method of slip stitching. So slip stitching doesn't show on the front. And now you can pull this working yarn inside this and tighten it. So don't make it too tight. You should be able to insert your hook inside the stitch. So now you make a DC on this thing, or chain 3, then another DC here, and in the corner you're going to make 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC. This is a simple motif. I have a lot of other variations too, which will be uploaded in the consequent calcs. Now to go over to the next corner, chain 1. then 2 DC, sorry, we have done 2 DCs here, then 1 DC each on each of these 3 DCs. That is when our heart pattern will be formed in the next round. And you come to the corner, chain 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC. So this 3 DC has been converted into 7 DCs here. Chain 3, 2 DCs. Then 1 DC on each of the 3 DCs of the previous round, the very first round. We are into the second round now. Then 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC in the corner. I hold my hook very lightly, that's why quite often it will slip from my hands. Doesn't matter, you're not supposed to hold it very tight, otherwise your knuckles will pain. Your hold on the hook and the yarn should be very light. So 1 DC each on each of the next 3 DCs. Then 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC. In this pattern, you have the option of staggering the corners too, that I'll explain in the next video. So we have done the 2 DCs. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last stitch here on this DC. Again slip stitch and join. This is the invisible slip stitch I am doing. Oh God. I should not have made my first stitch very tight. Yeah. And pull this loop behind it. Yeah. Now we are going to give shape to the heart. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to work 4 DCs together. That is, we are going to convert 4 DCs into 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So yarn over, first half completed or incomplete standing DC in the center one. Again yarn over next incompleted DC, again yarn over incompleted DC, again yarn over incompleted DC here. And now yarn over, pull through 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. And now to go over to the corner, chain 1 and do either 3 DC here if you want to convert this as the corner, otherwise follow my method here. This I have done in a little different manner, or you can place 3 DCs. I will show the same thing. 3 DCs here in the corner. So if we do 3 DCs here, we can convert this into a heart in the next 2 rounds. Chain 2. Now we have 7 DCs here. We are going to work 4 DCs together. So yarn over, insert your hook here, incomplete DC, yarn over, insert in the next, incomplete DC, yarn over, insert in the next, incomplete DC, yarn over, insert in the next, and incomplete DC. Now you will have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. Now to go over to make the next 4 DCs together, chain 5. Then yarn over. You have completed your 4 DCs in the same stitch. You are going to start. Incomplete DC done. Next incomplete DC, next incomplete DC, next incomplete DC. So you'll have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. So this one heart is complete here. Chain 2, 3 DCs in the corner. Alternatively, if you want to maintain this as the corner, you can do 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC. Then chain 2, 4 DCs together. Working in the circle, the hearts, it's my idea. I've not copied it from anywhere else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If such a pattern is already available elsewhere, I don't know. But this is my brainchild. Chain 2. Again, 3 DC in the corner. See, 1, 2 hearts are completed. This is the first incomplete. I will complete this and get back to you. You also complete it. I have come to the end of this round here. So I have done my 3 DCs. Now chain 2. We need to work these 4 DCs together. 1, 2, 3 and this one. 4 DCs together. So place your first incomplete DC, second incomplete DC, third incomplete DC, and the fourth incomplete DC in the stitch. That's a common stitch. Now yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. So in between these two, we need to have 5 chains. So 1 and 2. And if you're going to work from the middle here, yarn over and place a DC so that you can bring the yarn to the center of this thing. Even otherwise you bring it. And if you want to stop at this end, you can stop it over here. So this is how it looks. So I will secure it and pull it. So this won't be visible. That's it. So this is how it looks. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.